This is the Gala Tent video guide to folding up a gazebo canopy safely. Please note that this example uses a 3 meters by 3 meters gazebo canopy, but the same logic can be applied to any size of Gala Tent gazebo canopy. First, take your canopy from your gazebo frame and place it onto a clean and dry surface. Find and hold the most uppermost point of the canopy and pull away from the material. Find and follow the seam which runs from the peak down to the valance section. Do the same on both sides, folding the left and the right panels of the canopy inside of the two seams. Lay the canopy flat on the ground, lifting one seam to ensure the material is folding straight between the seams. Do this on both sides and ensure the valance section of the canopy is flat. Now, fold both sides of the canopy into the middle one after the other. Fold the peak section down towards the bottom, ensuring that the material is all smooth. Make 2 folds on each side and then fold the whole canopy in half to create a sausage-like shape. Fold the sausage over 3 times from the top to the bottom to ensure that there is no trapped air. Now pack your gazebo canopy away. Please note, to avoid long-term degradation or damage to the canopy, always ensure that it is dry and clean before performing this action. You can do this by simply putting it up on the frame in a dry space until all the moisture is gone. Good luck!